moving from a static learning environment to video, do any of these stats, do you feel like really ring true even with the work that you're doing here over at AppDirect?
Oh yeah, I mean, like that one in the middle, learners watching 2.5 more instructional content versus reading equivalent materials. A lot of my learners actually even watch videos on like 2.5 speed, right? So they're ingesting the content as quickly as they possibly can because we only have so many minutes in the day, yet our expectations professionally are very high. And we have to make these tough choices. So we've definitely seen an increased completion rate, speak to the one on the left. We've seen deeper engagement. And then as far as knowledge transfer goes, I work primarily with salespeople. They're very kinesthetic learners. They really want to learn by doing. So I think another approach that we've had with our tooling at Pictory is to give people, scenarios for them to work through, like a sales scenario that would involve taking something they just learned and positioning it with a customer. Try this pitch on for size, right? Do an elevator pitch, do a little bit of account mapping through your organization with this solution and tell us where you think it might land. Where's your internal champion? Where's your economic buyer? Things like that. We've absolutely seen knowledge retention increase with a combination of all of these different instructional methodologies.